Channel V8X, start your engines, because today we're stepping into pure automotive dominance. Meet the black 2026 Porsche Cayenne Coupe, a machine that doesn't just enter the scene, it owns it. This isn't transportation, this is presence, attitude, and high-performance luxury fused into one aggressive silhouette. And from the first second you lay eyes on it, you already know, this SUV coupe was engineered to intimidate the road. Let's hit that front view. The stance is wide, low, and unapologetic. Those headlights stare forward like they're daring traffic to keep up. The gloss black finish reflects everything around it like liquid metal, amplifying every sculpted line. This angle screams authority, the kind of look that makes parking lots go silent. It's not trying to impress, it just does. Slide to the side profile and the story gets even louder. The roofline flows like a performance coupe, while the muscular body panels flex under the light. Every inch feels aerodynamic and deliberate. This is where luxury meets aggression, a silhouette that looks fast even when standing still. It's the kind of design that turns casual glances into full stares. Now check the rear view, pure attitude. The taillights slice across the back like a neon signature, and the stance plants itself like it owns the asphalt. It's bold, planted, and unmistakably premium. This angle feels like a mic drop. A final statement that says, "You just got passed by excellence." Step inside and the dashboard delivers a cockpit experience built for drivers who crave control. Digital displays glow with precision. Premium materials wrap around you like a tailored suit. Everything is positioned for performance, comfort, and dominance. This interior doesn't whisper luxury, it declares it. Under the hood, the engine is where engineering meets adrenaline. Every component is tuned for explosive response and relentless power delivery. Press the throttle and the surge feels immediate, sharp, aggressive, and addictive. It's not just speed, it's a controlled rush that keeps you coming back for more. Out on the highway, this machine transforms. The black body glides through traffic with authority, acceleration hitting hard while stability keeps everything razor sharp. It's smooth when cruising, ferocious when pushed, a perfect balance of comfort and chaos. At night, the reflections bounce off city lights, turning every drive into a cinematic moment. This isn't commuting, this is a rolling showcase of power and prestige. And when it sits in a showroom, under bright lights, the craftsmanship becomes undeniable. Every curve, every detail, every reflection confirms what you already feel. This is elite automotive design. The estimated price lands around the high-performance luxury bracket, roughly $95,000 to $130,000, depending on configuration, and every dollar screams premium engineering and status. This SUV coupe isn't about blending in. It's about commanding attention, delivering thrill, and redefining what luxury performance should feel like. Every angle, every sound, every drive reinforces one truth. This is a vehicle built to dominate both road and spotlight. Channel V8X, where power meets presence. See you in the fast lane.